play.
It's playing.
So make sure you wear a particle mask and safety glasses. This is a snap-on disc. This is an Adalox medium, and I also use Adalox fine or Emery extra fine. Make sure that you're watching the tool to see that you're removing material right down the whole face of the tool. I'm touching up the taper triangle. So I want to make sure that my tool is removing material from the entire face and not one edge or another. Turn it a third of a turn. Now that just raised microscopic burrs, so I'm just going to run this over the edge of some hardwood, and that was enough to clean up those little microscopic burrs on the edge of the tool. So for the knife, people tend to nick up the beveled edge. Again, I'm watching that beveled edge. And you want to make sure that the two faces meet in the middle. And then test it on a piece of scrap wax. And that looks good.
Done?
Done.